Well, hot damn! That was one heck of a U-turn there that we saw in L Market. Um, you know, prices, there's still some discounts to be had out there. This market, I'll tell you, it seems like people are just sitting around with oodles and oodles of cash because they want to go shopping for deals. It's very interesting. So let's get a little bit of feel for what's going on. Let's get the feels going on the market here. So take a look at this. The Dow's getting burned. The S&P 500 is going down. But folks, tech and recovery stocks, Russell actually doing decently right now, which is crazy because we expect that Omicron is going to be insane in the next month here. Highly anticipate that happening. But big old recovery here. I mean, AMC killing it. Not only do we have a return to the broader tech sector going up, which is a sign of risk thresholds going up. When risk thresholds go up, you combine that with a positive catalyst like the Spider-Man catalyst for AMC. Boom, moon. Great 20% rebound. And we're coming off some pretty dang lows as well. I mean, we bounced off 20 so hard. It was great. Teladoc trying to get back to 100 here. You've got Lemonade coming back over 46 here. Really floors at about 40. And look at that Roku run. I'll tell you, we bought this. I sent out alerts in the course. I thought this one was just bottoming out at 19 in like the 190s, 190 to 201, that kind of range there. That was a juicy one. Went YOLO at $18 on Robinhood, so still waiting for more of a run here, but I'll take the 6%. Nice U-turn, though, especially since this morning we were down to like 1733 or something crazy. Good, strong recovery. You've got ARK. Look at that. You got some ARK YOLOs as well going. So I'll take the 5% back to 96 here, which is nice. Redfin, interestingly, coming back despite this talk about rates going up and refinances kind of being done. I almost wonder if the market's just heavily priced in the real estate sector's pain in terms of mortgages, because we've seen the real estate sector just get obliterated over the past 6 months. I mean, look at that bleed on Redfin. It's like the nonstop bleed on Redfin. And, I wonder now, has the market said we have now fully priced in the fact that rates are going to go up, that mortgages are going to be a little slower, and is it time to get some love going back over here to the real estate plays? I mean, look at let's do this. Let's go to finance.google and let's compare some of these. Finance.google.com. NASDAQ just turned red slightly again. Big deal. All right, let's see here. Okay, it's not loading. So what I'd really like to do is compare them. We'll try again. Hold on. Finance.google. Okay, there we go. Okay, good. So let's compare some of these. Let's compare Redfin to United Wholesale Mortgage Company, to Rocket Mortgage, to Zillow, and Open Door. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the year-to-dates on these guys. Oh, golly. Look at that blood. Oh, my gosh. I mean, this is like a Kathy Wood portfolio here. Oh, sorry, that's mean. Dang. Holy smokes, real estate has gotten wrecked. I have not done this comparison before, and that is ugly. Oh, my gosh. Well, damn. Holy smokes. Look at this. Open Door year to date down 40%. Zillow's down 52%. Rocket Mortgage down 22%. United Wholesale Mortgage Company down 49%. And Redfin down 39%. OMG. Somebody says, oh, Realty. That's a REIT. They're up 17%, but they're a REIT. We're talking more about the consumer-directed real estate. And that's what you have here, consumer-directed real estate. And let's just do some forwards on some of these. So let's look at Redfin. I don't think Redfin's forwards are that great, but for giggles, let's do it. So Redfin, expecting solid growth, really through 2025. Somewhere probably an average of like 22-ish%. It's really slower growth expected for 25 for some reason. EPS only 53 cents in 2025. So 41 divided by 0.53, that puts you about an 80? Yeah, 77 times earnings for 2025 there on Redfin. So a little pricey. Redfin going to be probably the priciest out of the bunch. Let's try United Wholesale Mortgage Company, but those are some bloody ones. Now, I don't hold stock in any of these right now. I know to some people who aren't course members, that might come as a surprise, but I've been looking for a bottom in these. Oh my gosh, yeah, United Wholesale Mortgage Company is expecting 20 cents of earnings in 2025. That'll be its first profitable year. The valuations have been high on these guys. But then again, that's 32 times forward 2025. That's not that bad because that's $6. Let's try Rocket. Rocket and United Wholesale. These are like your 1 and 2 lenders. These guys go to each other's throats and fight each other. All right. So what do we have here? Rocket is expecting $3. No, never mind. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So I can... Rocket's growth is a problem. We expect their growth to actually decline 18% in 2021, 21% in 2022, only grow 3% in 2023, 2% decline in 2024. Well, that's not that juicy. Well, dang. I'm pretty sure United Wholesale Mortgage Co. was still growing at least. Actually kind of similar. That's what you've got here is you've got expectations that, wait a minute, these guys aren't even growing. Well, that sucks. Redfin's growing. What about Open Door? Let's try that one. I think mortgage companies, Better.com, they just laid off a bunch of people too, remember? So Open Door, good strong growth probably through 2023, but big slowdown in 2024 and 2025 estimated, and you might only be at like 31 cents of EPS for Open Door. Let's throw Open Door down here again. Open Door. Oh, jeez. Okay, divide 1423 divided by, so this is gonna be like 42 times divided by 31 cents. 45 times earnings. So anyway, this is like the consumer real estate sector has just been ugly. It's been fugly for 2021. That's nasty. Ugh. Ay. All right, let's see here. All right, so what else do we have here? Let's look at what kind of losers do we still have left over here. So is Rivian? Ooh, Rivian's coming back from negative 14% that we had this morning. This was a nice drop. This was a healthy drop. Look, I support Rivian. I love what they're doing. I'm very concerned about why they're spending $5 billion on a factory in frickin' Georgia when they haven't even figured out how to manufacture 4 freaking cars in the one plant that they don't even have at scale yet. If you want the extended version of that rant, make sure to go watch my Rivian video where you can get all of my thesis on qualms and headwinds for Rivian. Or don't. Somebody here says, Kev, I thought you were going to buy Redfin. Yeah, I thought I was going to buy back Redfin too. I do like Redfin out of all of them. Okay, what else? So more towards the bottom here. Big Dig. Gosh, they have a hard time staying up above 1. There's United Wholesale Mortgage Company again, $6.49. Starbucks down 4.22. Backed Holdings. Wow. You know what's crazy? And I made a video bagging on them. People got so mad at me when this was meme stocking. But folks, look at this. It's pure momentum. This is the perfect momentum graph. Look at that. It was $9, $8, 50 cents, and all that over here. Explosion to $50. And in a rotation right back to where it was. Now at $8.84. Now that's one I'd be interested to look into. Let's see here. See, I actually have their app, and I think their app is beautiful. I hate that it took like 6 days for me to get my transfer done over there. We'll look at that in just a sec. BKKT. I don't think we have a path to profitability for them. They're so new, we probably don't even have estimates for them. Yeah, no, we don't. Wait. Yeah. Okay. When I click financial analysis, it says hope. Oh, that's not good. I'm kidding. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say anything. Oh, I deleted the app. I deleted it after I transferred $1,000 to them. Yeah. So I'm going to re-download that right now. I'm going to get my $1,000 back. Here we go. All right. I will say, though, I think all their enthusiasm that they created through this share price going up probably attracted a lot of users to their business, honestly. So I don't blame that. I mean, hey, if you can SPAC and make money from SPACing, even though you had nothing really before that or very little before that, fine me. Gosh, their app is great. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. Hold on. Let's see if we can pull it up. There we go. Look at that. My $999 in backed. Activate backed card. Oh, that sounds cool. I got a backed card I could use. I could deposit cash, send cash, buy crypto. I wonder if they have a wonder what they charge. Ooh, is that true? Is Bitcoin down at that level? Hold on a sec. Now I got to look at CoinMarketCap. Ooh, 46.2. And how much would I have to pay here? They don't really tell you. Yeah, they don't really tell you what price you're buying it at. But it seems like they're giving you spot. Here it is. Here they tell you. What's the fee on $1,000? 0. Hey. Wow. I'll calculate that later if there's any kind of spread in it. I don't believe it. But anyway. So, all right. Okay, a little bit of recent pain here on crypto, 46.3. Interestingly, 46.3 is under our support. And it's kind of been yeah, see, look at this. It's been playing this. This is the second time now it's playing this line here. And it's been drawing down beneath it. We're still not spawning liquidations, though. Let's confirm that. Well, that I know. I think it's $0 because of the spread as well. I just want to see how much the spread is. But short of me sitting here and actually doing the calculation, we're not going to get it right now. Okay, so BTC. Okay, total liquidations. Here we go. Let's get BTC liquidations. Let's go to the hour chart. It's nominal. Okay, let's go to 12 hours. When was this? Oh, yeah. December 3rd was our last time. But we haven't had anything since then. That's what I'm talking about. Nothing in terms of liquidations. That's why we're not going down under 40K. We're not getting the margin calls yet. That's when it's going to look juicy. Backed mobile won't be profitable until 2 to 3 years later. Yeah, probably even longer than that, honestly. All right. Let's see here. What else have in pain? Well, we talked about Rivian, talked about Bitcoin, talked about backed. I need pain. I think it's interesting the banks are going down. Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo. I think it's because the market realizes they're not. The Fed's not going to be able to raise rates as much as people were hoping. All right, what else here? Adobe. So Adobe was an interesting one. And it's one that I mean, we are now extending past the October pain that we had, but we're still relatively elevated. I mean, this one, it's like ranked number 13 or something in the S&P 500. It's a phenomenal company. Went down to 255 in the midst of the recession, the COVID recession. It's literally double than that, more than double that. The last real pain we had here was actually March. Didn't even bottom in May. Bottomed in March at 415. And you're just starting a trend down. Hopefully, not to like diss Adobe holders, because I think it's a great company, but hopefully this compresses kind of like DocuSign, and we do end up getting like a 420 or 450 or something here. Then that's going to be some juicy time to buy Adobe. But at these levels, I'm not jumping up and down. I'm not convinced that the selling is over, especially software. Remember, that software multiple compression is a big deal, and a lot of hedgies are playing into that narrative. That's why you're seeing Upstart get whacked. I mean, it's literally going back to our lines over here. These are the lines I had drawn for them, by the way, just so you know. I've got 120, 108, 98, and 76. These are the lines I have for Upstart. And we're almost back. I can't believe it. If somebody would, like, could you imagine that 2 months ago, literally 2 months ago, this stock was at $401. If you would have put $100 in, you would have been left with $33.60. That's like a rug pull. Oh, that's so bad. Could you imagine that? Oh, and I bet you most retail buyers bought it on the way up over here. In fact, I can see when people bought. Hold on one second. Let me see. Vanda. We must log in. I want to see when the retail is. When were the big retail buys? Let's see if we can find out. Retail flows. Upstart. Okay. So I'm going to go out to the 1 year view. So most retail buys happened. There was a surge in June, but the biggest surge of buying on Upstart by retail happened around 810, 812, and 816. That was when it was around $200. That's not bad. We had a big retail surge around 240. Another big retail surge at 331. Huge retail surge of buying at 383. And guess what? Now that the price is falling, you have retail people dumping it. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is classic momentum here. Let me see if I can show you. Let me do this. People want to buy crap on the way up. You don't want to catch a falling knife. All right, here you go. Look at this, folks. The purple line is retail buying. So you did get a good amount of retail buying there when it did its first surge. See that line, that vertical black line right there? That's the price. Look at that. Vertical black line. All the retail kids go freaking nuts. Purple lines are the buys. Look at the vertical black line we basically get right here in the middle there. Purple line goes to the moon. Get a vertical line right here. Purple line goes to the moon. Vertical line right here. Purple line goes to the moon. Oh no, the stock is falling. Retail buyers, purple lines are like, get me out of here, paper hand. It literally, over and over and over again, the retail community proves buy high, sell low. It's funny. Oh gosh. Yeah, it's a lesson to learn. Like, you don't associate with this kind of garbage. When stuff's going to the moon, that's the risky time to buy. We say that's what we try to do here, right? We talk about this all the time. Buy when it's painful. Like, you think this morning bought Enphase at, well, I don't know, whatever, 180 or 179 or something like that, and some of the coins, and some of whatever, and it's like, oh no, everything's falling. Like, that's when the pain is. Those are the times you want to buy. Anyway, okay, so let's see. We need a course member cruise. Yes, I'm for Europe, and we can't use Webull or buy certain stocks and options. Well, then move out of Europe. No, I like Europe. Get to the Mediterranean. Wow. Jimmy here donated $20 to me to say, after you started sharing your thoughts on Lucid and Rivian, I started buying puts and made $60,000 in the last 30 days. Let's go. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Good for you. Not cheering at the people who lost money, but I did, I think, say like 17 million times these things are going to fall. In fact, it was literally one of the catalysts in the watch these December catalysts for the stock market video. Anyway, where were we? But congrats, that's cool. Oh yeah, okay, somebody wants me to look at the financials for Upstart. I'm only doing it because I want to, not because you asked. Okay, let's see here. Upstart. Okay, so Upstart is expecting a lot of growth this year, 46% growth next year, 30% thereafter. We only get numbers out to 2023. EPS of $2.72. $130 divided by $2.72. Holy moly. Selling for 47 times 2023. I mean, it's only 2023. If they got to an EPS of 4 in 2025, if they did, it'd be 32. That's not that bad. It's okay. Anyway, Rivian's worsening now. Oh, Starbucks. What's going on at Starbucks? Oh, well, Omicron probably. Nespresso's going to the moon, but Nespresso's owned by... Is it Nestle? Nestle? Not Nestle. Nestle. I can never say it right. Whatever. Who cares? I always thought it was Nestle, right? Yeah, Nestle. Nespresso. I'm pretty sure. Nespresso. Whatever. Here you go. Nestle. Yeah. Because the E implies the E. Nestle Nespresso. Yeah, it is. So I really wish that Nespresso was its own company. Like, that would be the kind of like Keurig and them, right? But who owns Keurig? Keurig? Egg? Oh, wow. I didn't know it was spelled like that. Who spells it like that? That's weird. Wiki. Keurig is owned by Keurig Dr. Pepper. What? Some private company, whatever. K-pop. The Keurig stuff is brilliant. So is Nespresso. But it's just not worth buying the big conglomerates for that. Okay, let's see here. Are you buying Hood and Twilio and Beyond Meat? Not Beyond Meat. Although Beyond Meat started U-turning. Twilio's part of the software nightmare that we've been seeing. Beyond Meat's been finally recovering a little bit. Like, Beyond Meat. Oh, I'm going to write that down on as my bottoms. I have a list of bottoms. And I think I could put Beyond on this list. Because I do think, just technically speaking, looking at their chart here, I think that 62 to 65 was probably a bottom for Beyond. And if we look at maybe some financials on Beyond, it's probably not as bad as the software companies, honestly. It's just it's meat is commoditized, and plant-based meat. I mean, we used to call these things soy burgers and stuff until soy got like a bad rap, and then nobody wanted soy stuff. That was when I was a kid. It's like, it wasn't like a big innovation. Oh my gosh, a veggie patty. Like, who cares? But anyway, So expecting EPS of about 2 in 2025. So you're still paying 35 times 2025 earnings for this company. And the growth is expected to slow. So we'll see. I'd probably give it an average of about 16% growth. The numbers are kind of lumpy. So we'll see. Oh, is that true? KDP, Keurig Dr. Pepper? Are you serious? I thought it was private. Why didn't they say they were public? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's mind-opening. I did not know that. I'm gonna look them up. Keurig Dr. Pepper, really? Oh my gosh, you're right. Oh, they just reported earnings on that. Well, that was in October. Okay. I am very curious. I could have sworn they were private. See, now here's a profitable company, but surprisingly, the growth is low. So they're selling for $35, and you got an EPS of 2 in 2025. But honestly, you already have an EPS of almost that. You got an EPS right now, like this year, of $1.60. So I could just divide by now, just for giggles, divided by 160. That's a 2021 EPS of 22. It's not that bad. The problem is their growth is like probably looking at 4% over the next few years. I am shocked. They make no. They're going to make over $12 billion of revenue this year. Their gross margin's 56%. Net income, that net income's good, though. They're a little cash cow. They bring 18 to 19% to the bottom line on those Keurig things. Holy smokes. You spend $100 on K-Cups, these people are bringing $18 to the bottom line. That's a good business. Keurig Dr. Pepper. I just want to see if there's a dividend on it. 2% dividend. Year to date, 12%. It's kind of a lagger, honestly. Oh, what happened? They must have done some kind of like reverse, some sort of split or something. Not reverse split. This would be a split. All right. Well, that skews the chart. Okay, anyway, let's go see what's happening into the close here, because my buy the dip opportunity is waning. That's all I know. And I want more dip. So SPY's kind of holding into the close. AMC's holding into the close. Ooh, my Roku's going to the moon, baby. Woo! Look at that volume coming in on Roku. Let's go. I did also buy Snap. I don't know if that one's doing as well as Roku. Not as well. But I'll take the 1.5%. SoFi chilling at that support line again, as it usually does. Oh, Trade Desk almost back to over 90. I'll tell you, that one keeps hitting a floor of 85. DocuSign's rebounding again. Palantir's over 19 again. Palantir running into the close a little bit here. AAPL is falling a little bit into the close. Tesla. Oh, that's not Tesla. Hold on. Oh, Weeble with the lag here. Come on, man. What is this? Tesla at 935. That's still a deal. Oh, it's still a deal on Tesla. Oh, so tempting. So tempting to buy more. Okay, Rivian down 10.6. All right, we're going to the close. 28 seconds to go to the close, folks. And make sure to remember to take advantage of your coupon code for the amazing programs on Building Your Wealth. Price goes up at the end of Christmas. Folks, Christmas is in 8 days. 1 week from tomorrow. That's crazy. It's Christmas time. Anyway, look at that soul guy on the left. How lonely. Nobody wants to be around him. He probably has COVID.
That is the worst performer, down just
What's he pointing at himself?
The S&P down 2%, the Dow down 1.7% for the week.
The guy's scary on the left.
Today, we closed down 1% on the S&P, 1.5% on the Dow.
Oh my gosh, please. Like they're at least having a party on the right. Man. Okay, Dow. What is that, like a one-man company? Anyway, the company Dow Jones down 1.48%, S&P down 1.03%, Nasdaq's only down 0.07. Telling you there's no alternative to growth, and then 1% on the Russell Smalls. Ooh, the Smalls are moving. Okay, so let's see here. How did things end over here? Well, still got a little leftover pain in some coins. They're a little bit up from earlier, but still seeing a little bit of leftover crypto pain. You did look at some of the genomics. Ooh, wait a second here. Are we seeing a genomic U-turn? Hold on a second here. Let's clear the table a little bit because I'm just now noticing this for the first time, like all freaking year that this has happened. I have not seen this happen. Is this the beginning of a new trend? Is this the beginning of ARKG going to the freaking moon? Okay, hold on a second here. Hold on a second. Invite? What? 18%? Intelia? Up 12%. T-Doc up almost 12. CRISPR Therapeutics. Holy crap. Arcturus is even up. Oh my gosh. These are some of the worst performing stocks that Kathy's had. OMG. ARKG had to be on fire today. Holy moly. Are these guys just like at dead bottom or what's up with this? ARKG. ARKG. Ooh. Wait a second. It's time for YOLO calls on ARKG. Too bad I realized after the close. Look at that though. Oh, you're so at bottom. You're at, what are we at now? 64, 65 or whatever. You're paying, oh my gosh, you're paying pre-vaccine prices. How weird is that, folks? Pre-vaccine prices. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that could be another juicy basket. So the genomics basket. You know what I got to do? I got to make some M1 pies. We got to have a genomics basket. We got to have an advertising basket. Advertising's got to get stuff like Snap, Facebook, Google, Trade Desk, Adobe. What am I missing? You can include Roku in that. Okay, so then you've got, dang, those are some movers there. Hold on, let me pull up some other ARKG stocks. ARKG. What does Fastly have to do with advertising? Aren't they a CDN? Am I missing? Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe Fastly does something with advertising. I don't know. Oh, there were a bunch of other advertising stocks that people keep shouting at me that I don't know anything about. Including MACQU, don't know what that is. Apps, maybe. Oh, Pins and Twitter. Yeah. Pins and Twitter go in that. Pins, Twitter. Twitter Blue could be good. Yeah, that was it. MGNI or whatever in that PubM thing. So there's I don't think Etsy. No, that would be more of the discretionary. Yeah, a lot of y'all yell about this PubM and this other thing. I'll write them down. I gotta look into those. PubM, and what's this other thing? And something else. I don't know where the heck the darn thing is. Yeah, whatever. Magnite. Yeah, and what's the ticker? I'm just gonna write it down. Magnite. All right, whatever. Okay, so let's see here. Skip. All right, I want to see just the holdings here. Oh, there is your software pie. Okay, so T-Doc, Exact, there's Atelia, there's Jinko, whatever. How did AXAS do? I think they all just did well today. This one's kind of at bottom too, but I don't know what it did today. Genomics. Yeah. It doesn't say. Well, let's just do this. What did it close for yesterday? Yesterday it closed at about 76, and today it closed at 80. Okay, well, that's decent. 4 or 5% or something like that. I don't know why Weeble doesn't want to tell me. MGNI, thank you. MGNI. Okay, so genomics, advertising. Then I think you could also get a recovery stock once Omicron peaks. So recovery pie. And then you got to have genomics, advertising, recovery. I don't know that you really need chips. Consumer discretionaries kind of got some of those picked already. Oh, look at the drop towards the end here on some of these. Created Tootsie Roll. All of a sudden down 7.4 into the close there. United Wholesale actually popped towards the end of the day. Backed Holdings even popped towards the end of the day a little bit. Microvast fell a little bit. Nvidia. Ooh, Nvidia down under 280. How badly does Square keep falling? Oh, yeah, definitely need a crypto pie, but you can't really do that. Oh, Pacific Biosciences. What's the ticker on that thing? Oh, yeah, Square is still free falling. Oh, look at that. It hit an all-time low today. Pacific Bio. Is that it? No, I don't know. What's Pac B. Okay, Pac B. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, that had a run in December. Oh, it went up from a $3 stock to 19. Wow. But yeah, I imagine today it did better. Oh, yeah, nice little pop today. Look at that end of the day pop. I bet you people dove into ARKG today. Would not be surprised if ARKG has lots of dollars. AMC is the ad play. Oh, I love it. That's a brilliant one. I like it. Oh, that's a good point here with Trade Desk's placement on Pandora and Spotify. Nice. Yeah, I can't believe Square went to 158. That's insane. ServiceNow. I have not done a deep dive on ServiceNow ever. I've only briefly, and I still need to understand exactly what they do. Reddit IPO. Wouldn't exactly be an advertising play, would it? I mean, I guess it could be. I mean, what makes a difference from, I mean, I guess there's sponsor posts. You've got, it's kind of like Twitter, and that's an ad play. I mean, maybe it would be. You know, maybe that, I'm going to write it down with a little question mark because I'm sure it's going to be, the price is going to be ridiculous when it comes out, but that's interesting. Spotify. Yeah, maybe. Anyway. All right. Well, this was fun. Can Wall Street bets go public? Yes, just them. Oh, new gene editing breakthroughs for obesity. Really? Oh, I got to check that out. Thank you for that. The pre-market today made me feel like I got offline in Rust. Welcome, Corey and Fernando. Thanks for joining the membership. Christopher, that's very interesting, Claire. Thank you for that. Fat gene. Write that down. Fat gene. It sounds like one word. Yeah, I wrote Roku down. I did write Roku down. All right, folks. Thanks so much for being here. Ooh, yes. Square getting sued. Well, worst case scenario, they just go back to Square. Big deal. The name's fine. All right, folks.